हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्ट्रेस क्लासेस। आज हम 10th क्लास के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। इसमें चैप्टर 13 हैज़ बीन स्टार्टेड ऑन फर्स्ट लेक्चर। दिस इज द सेकेंड लेक्चर ऑन दिस चैप्टर 13 स्टैटिस्टिक्स। अबाउट द स्टैटिस्टिक्स इंट्रोडक्शंस एंड mean formulas, central tendency, other important concepts I have explained in the first video, and then this is the this is lecture 1, but in that 5th lecture of the last chapter I have explained this also, one question of the last chapter and other statistics introductions on that lecture. Okay, now continuity. Mean formulas explained, all three formulas in the mean. I want to repeat. One is the direct method. Okay. Second is assume mean method. Third is step deviation method. Assume mean means deviation finding by taking the assume mean, सेंटर में से कोई मीन ले लिया। मीन माने बीच का। ओके, तो उसमें एज्यूम मीन है, वो स्मॉल ए है, तो उसका फॉर्मूला क्या है एज्यूम मीन के अकॉर्डिंग? जब डाटा एक्स जो है वो लार्ज नंबर हो तो उनको छोटा बनाने के लिए एज्यूम मीन की हेल्प से हम मीन निकालते हैं। अदरवाइज डायरेक्ट मेथड एफ इंटू एक्स। ओके, तो डायरेक्ट मेथड हेयर बिकॉज नंबर हेयर एक्स जो डाटाज हैं वो स्मॉल डाटाज हैं। व्हाट आर द डाटाज इन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1? क्वेश्चन 1 to 4 वी हैव टू डू एनसीईआरटी। तो हेयर क्वेश्चन 1 इज फाइंड द मीन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, दैट नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स हैं एंड नंबर ऑफ हाउसेज हैं। ओके, नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6 days, and number of houses 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. This is given. So according to this, find the mean plants. Okay. So now mean plant means data x from these taken here. If grouped data are there, so mid data we are taking as x. Upper limit plus lower limit divide by 2. 0 plus 2 divide by 2. Then 1. 2 plus 4 6 divide by 2. Then 3 and so on. So these we have taken x 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. And frequency means number of houses. That are frequency. Number of houses, one house में इतने प्लांट है 0 से 2, 2 हाउस में 2 से 4 प्लांट्स है and 1 this. तो these are the frequencies. ठीक है, तो then here frequency return this. Okay, now after that this is the solution table. Then solution table we are making like this, group and x and frequency f we are taking. After that product, because these are small number, no need to go to the second formula. Direct method is this. What is the direct method formula? Mean is equal to direct method summation of fi into xi, डाटा एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी की मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाय समेशन ऑफ एफ आई, फ्रीक्वेंसी, ऑल फ्रीक्वेंसीज का सम. ओके, देन हेयर these value we have to put here and solve. Now here f into x we have to calculate product of frequency and the related data. Data भी 1 है, frequency भी 1, 1 into 1 1, then 3x है, f है 2, f into x 2 3 जा 6, then 5 1 जा 5, then 7 5 जा 35, multiply product we are writing 9 6 जा 54, 11 2 जा 22 and 13 3 जा 39. Then summation of fi also we have to calculate, and summation of एफ आई एक्स आई also we have to find. Summation means total of all these. Then 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 5 17, 17 plus 4 21, 21 plus 2 23, 23 plus 9 32, 23 plus 9 32, 32 का 2 कैरी 3, तो 3 प्लस 3 6, 6 प्लस 5 11, 11 प्लस 2 13, 13 प्लस 3 16, तो देन 16 this 162, okay, and frequency 1 plus 2 3, total of frequency 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 plus 3 20, so this is 20. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ डाटाज. इतने डाटाज हैं, इतने सारे प्लांट हैं, ठीक है, इतने सारे डाटाज हैं हमारे, इतने सारे. ओके, देन फ्रीक्वेंसी दिस 20, तो 20 प्लांट्स हैं हमारे. देन फ्रीक्वेंसी टोटल, that is again you can check 1 plus 2 3, 3 1 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15, 9 plus 6 15 plus 2 17 plus 3 20. So then put here and then solve this. So sigma fi xi 162 divided by summation of fi 20. ओके बेटा, 9 डिवाइड बाई 2, 2 10 जा, 2 से 2 8 जा, 16 2 1 जा 2, then 8.1 डिवाइड बाई 10, then 8.1. तो what are these? These are the number of plant. तो 8.1, okay, आंसर. तो लाइक दिस मीन वी कैन फाइंड. नंबर ऑफ प्लांट काउंटिंग में है तो 8 लिख सकते हैं इसको. ओके, कितने प्लांट आ गए? 8. एवरेज आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट इज 2. From NCERT book, like this. You will understand here other formulas also, mean formula. This is the direct formula if data are small numbers. Okay, if large number, big numbers, then assume mean method, second. And if more that too much large, then third method you can use, that is step deviation method. Deviation also I explained in the first lecture. Now question number 2. Question number 2 in NCERT book is question 2. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers. How many workers? 50 workers हैं, and wages given, उनका daily wages. Daily wages डाटाज हैं. वेजेस मीन्स कमाई, उनकी रोज की इनकम. in rupees, daily wages in rupees. Okay beta. What are the daily wages? We can write here. Solution table direct you can make. Okay beta. Now here you can take what are the daily wages, 500 to 520. Then 520 to 540. Then 540 to 560, 560 to 580. 20 का यहाँ डिफरेंस है तो h इज 20 हेयर. ओके बेटा. क्लास इंटरवल 580 to 600 and this is the last. Okay beta. Now after that what given? Number of workers. Number of workers. This is called frequency. Okay. Number of workers are called frequency. Yes. Now frequency of the first group 12, then 14, then 8. 12, then 14, then 8, and then 6 and 10. 6 and then 10. These are the number of workers according to this group, wages in rupees. Then we can take here X, solution, mid data. Mid data we can take, okay, here 500 and 520 have upper limit, so sum of both and divide by 2. Mid will be 510. Clear beta? Then this mid 520 to 540, 530 mid. And similarly 500 third group 550. Then fourth group 570. And the next group 590. Okay. So this your data is X. Now you have to use here because large number X, so deviation method or step deviation, mean assume mean method or step deviation, anyone you can use here. Okay. So I am using here step deviation method. So I am writing here H also. What is your H here? 20. H is the class interval or class size, yani group, lower limit and upper limit subtract, that is called the class interval. Okay, or class size. This is 20 here and A here. A is here data ka mid. दिस, दो ऊपर छोड़ दिए, दो नीचे छोड़ दिए, बीच में 550. It is called assume mean, and then we are using formula mu I is equal to data minus assume mean A divided by H. This, so this calculate here and write, then sort हो जाएगा, simple हो जाएगा. Then calculate now mu I, mean deviation. Deviation is called x minus a deviation, xi minus a deviation, and divide by h, then it is called mean deviation. So mu is calculated, it is here x 510 and a is 550. So 510 minus 550 minus 40 and divide by 20. Minus 40 divided by 20 minus 40 divided by h 20 is equal to minus 2. Then similarly this will be minus 1 and this will be 0, this will be 1 and this will be 2. This. Now you have to calculate here. What you have to calculate? For the formula is x bar यानी mean is equal to by step deviation method, step deviation, a plus summation of mu I fi divide by summation of fi into h. This is the step deviation method. Now it means here we have to calculate mu I into fi, product and multiply of the mu I and fi. Mu I here this, so mu I and fi is here, so multiply both. 12 into minus 2, 12 into minus 2 minus 24, then 14 into minus 1 minus 14, then 8 into 0, 0, 6 into 1, 6, and 10 into 2, 20. Then summation we have to find this summation of mu I into fi. This will be equal, okay beta, add negative and positive, sum will be negative here, so sum of these negative, these are negative 448, 38 minus 38, and this calculate 26 positive. So minus 38 and 26 sum of algebraic sum, then subtract, so 8 minus 6, 2 and negative will be, and then 3 minus 2, 1, so minus 12. Okay, use this, and summation of fi also you have to calculate, sum of all the frequencies. Okay, I means 1 2 3 4 5, ठीक है, first data, second data, third data. Okay, 1 2 3 4, then sum of all यानी 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10, तो 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 6 20, 20 and 0, then 0 20, 2 carry 2 1 3, okay, 2 4 6 8 14, 6 plus 8 14 plus 6 20, 20 2 carry 2 1 3 1 4 1 5, then these are the 50, okay. तो नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स कितने हैं 50, क्वेश्चन में भी गिवन है. तो नाउ पुट दीज ऑल थिंग्स हियर एंड कैलकुलेट. then mean is equal A is here 550 plus summation of mu I fi minus 12 upon sum of the frequency, total observation यहाँ total data n also, summation fi is called the n number of all observation, and into h is here 20, simplify, okay, then it is 550 and plus minus and 12 to the 24 upon 5 minus 24 upon 5, डेसिमल में निकल जाएगा, ओके. देन इट विल कम 550 माइनस 5 4 जा 20, 5 5 जा 25, तो 5 4 जा 20 डेसिमल, देन 4 0 40, देन 5 8 जा 40, 4.8 माइनस हो गया इसमें से, तो कितना बच गया है 10 minus 8 2 and then here 9, ओके बेटा 9 बिकॉज कैरी लिया, एंड 9 minus 4 5, ठीक है बेटा. यहाँ फिर 4 इसकी कैरी गया एक, एंड दिस 5 एज इट इज 545.2, ठीक है बेटा, क्लियर. तो दिस व्हाट इज दिस, दिस इज अ मीन, सो मीन वेजेज, ठीक है बेटा. वी शुड राइट इन द सेंटेंस मीन वेजेज इक्वल रुपीज 545.20. This is your answer. Okay beta, so like this you should do. And which method here used? Step deviation method. This is called step deviation method. Okay, now next question, question number 3. तो लाइक दिस हेयर क्वेश्चन, कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा ध्यान से करना है, ओके बेटा. यूज योर माइंड, alertness, because multiply, divide, addition, subtraction is there only, which you know, and the formula, okay. So now mean you understood, like this we have to find this formula, you know. Now next question number 3 you can do, okay. Similar question 3 you can do. 3, what is 3? हाँ जी, the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children, ठीक है बेटा. of a locality the mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. mean pocket allowance given here, mean given, okay. find the missing frequency. चलो we have to do here mean given, different question, okay. तो in this question mean given, solution I am doing direct, okay. mean is equal to, in this question given 18. Okay. Now what is asking? Find the missing frequency. Daily pocket allowance in rupees. In rupees. Okay. Pocket allowance. Pocket money we can write. In short form, pocket money we can write. Okay. This is here given. Pocket money given in rupees. Okay. Daily expenditure pocket allowance means money we can write in short. Same thing. Now what is given? 11 to 13, 13 to 15. 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17. Okay beta, 17 to 19. In rupees, 19 to 21. Then 21 to 23. This is the, now last is 23 to 25. These are the daily expenses. Okay beta. Now here, after that, what given? Number of children. Okay beta. Number of children. Number of children given. Number of children. First expenses 11 to 13, 7 children, 7, 6, 9, 13, 7, 6, 9, 13, F59. F missing here, frequency F59. F54, sorry, F54. Asking missing frequency. Okay beta. Now what? Understand, take X here, same thing, mid data, solution, X is 11 plus 13 divided by 2, mid data, then 12, then 13 plus 15 divided by 2, then 14. Similarly, this 16, mid data, then 17, 18, after that 20, after that 22, and then 24. These are X. Now these understand here X थोड़ा सा लार्ज हैं तो डेविएशन ले लो इसमें, विच एज्यूम मीन मेथड, एज्यूम मीन. ओके. सेकंड वन, तो यहाँ डी निकाल लो, डेविएशन. डेविएशन इज XI माइनस एज्यूम मीन A. Here A equal mid data of all the data, center. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 ग्रुप हैं, तो 3 नीचे छोड़ दिए, 3 ऊपर, तो दिस इज ए 18 मिड में, 3 डाटा ऊपर 3 नीचे, तो ए इज हेयर 18। अंडरस्टैंड मिड डाटा एक्स, ठीक है। ऑलवेज ये मिस्टेक करता है स्टूडेंट, कहाँ से ले लेता है, फ्रीक्वेंसी में से ले लेता है। ये चिल्ड्रन इज कॉल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी, नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन कॉल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी, ओके, ठीक है। नाउ इन द क्वेश्चन व्हाट सेइंग, फाइंड द missing frequency, okay. Now mean given rupees 18, this is given. Now you calculate here deviation, so then xi minus a, it means 12 minus 18, what is that, 12 minus 18, 6 minus 6, okay. Then 14 minus 18 minus 4, 16 minus 18 minus 2, 18 minus 18 0, ओके बेटा, ठीक है। द 20 minus 18 2, 22 minus 18 4, 24 minus 18 6, ओके बेटा। दिस मेथड से बता दें, इसमें कोई सा मेथड अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। यू कैन फाइंड एयर स्टेप डेविएशन म्यू आल्सो यू कैन फाइंड एयर डिवाइड बाय एच, ये इट इज़ योर चॉइस। देन हेयर एक्स आई की जगह डी आई यूज हो जाएगा, तो डी आई एफ आई, तो यहाँ कैलकुलेट करना है आपने एफ आई इंटू डी आई, ओके, दिस point fi into di, so this is your di d deviation and f is this, so 7 6 जा minus 42, 7 6 जा 42, 6 4 जा 24, 9 2 जा 18 minus 18, 13 into 0 0, f into 2 2f, ओके बेटा। 5 into 4 20, 4 into 6 24, take summation of एफ आई डी आई, डी आई एफ आई कुछ भी कह लो, प्रोडक्ट दोनों की, तो कुछ नेगेटिव कुछ पॉजिटिव ऐड कर दो। तो पॉजिटिव तो है 44, दीज आर 44, एंड नेगेटिव कितना है 2 4 6 8 14, कैरी 1 4 1 5 5 2 7 7 1 8 माइनस 84 और प्लस के 44, तो 4 माइनस 4 0, सब्ट्रैक्ट नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव 8 माइनस 4 4 एंड माइनस, तो माइनस 40, ओके बेटा। सो दिस इज summation of fi also we have to take, summation of fi, this will be equal to 7 plus 6 13, बेटा 13 plus 9 22, 22 plus 3 25, 25 plus 5 30, 34 4 3 carry 3 1 4 and plus f, this is your fi, okay। Now use these both point here in the formula. What is formula? Mean is equal to, assume mean A plus summation of fi di. Okay, assume mean method. Which method is? Assume mean method. Then divide by summation of fi. This. Then this is given. This is given 18. Mean given 18. X bar value given here 18. Then put 18 plus is equal A. A is also here 18. Center data is also 18. X 18. Okay. 18 A plus summation fi di minus 40 divide by summation of this fi 44 plus fi 44 plus f 44 plus f. Now this 18 will come this side. Hello. Now here beta this problem was here कि sum किया हमने -40 and this plus 2f ये छूट गया था यहाँ पर. ओके बेटा. तो then this put here, then -40 plus 2f divide by 44 plus f. Okay, then 0, then -40 plus 2f. -40 plus 2f divide by this. Then this side 0 into this denominator 0 is equal to -40 plus 2f. Okay, then f is equal to -40 will come this side plus 40 and then divide by 2. Then f is equal to how much? 20. 40 divided by 2. So missing frequency 20 answer. Done? Okay? Clear? Okay, now next question. Question number 4. Okay beta, like this we can do one question number 4 more we have to do. Similar questions are there. Calculation थोड़ा fast होनी है. Okay, you have to do the calculation fast. Now question number 4 in NCERT book, the 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor. Okay, कितने 30 women है. तो number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follow. Find the mean heartbeat. मीन हार्टबीट. तो डाटा है हार्टबीट, नंबर ऑफ हार्टबीट पर मिनट कितनी है 65 68. डाटा जो है वो 65, डायरेक्ट टाइम राइटिंग फास्ट 68 हार्टबीट पर मिनट. ओके बेटा, हार्टबीट पर मिनट 68 to 71. 71 to 74, 3 का क्लास इंटरवल 74 to 77, then 77 to 80, then 80 to 83 and 83 to 86. This is the last heartbeat. Okay beta. Now after that number of boxes, नहीं सॉरी, नंबर ऑफ वुमेन, ये वुमेन्स हैं बेटा, यानी फ्रीक्वेंसी, नंबर ऑफ वुमेन, ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ वुमेन यानी ये फ्रीक्वेंसी हो गया. ओके बेटा, एक्स एंड देन फ्रीक्वेंसी. देन व्हाट इज फर्स्ट, द फर्स्ट ग्रुप 2, नंबर ऑफ वुमेन 2, सेकेंड 4 3 8, 4 3 8, 7 4 2, 7 4 2, this is 8. Okay, after that what asking beta here, the following distribution. Okay, यहाँ asking find mean heartbeat per minute. Okay, ये per minute mean heartbeat, तो means here वो same thing you have to find, mean you have to find. Simple, you can take this data, you can take here mean, mid data 65 and 68, तो 66.5 in decimal will come this 66.5, because 3 का गैप है तो 1.5 बढ़ गया 5, 1.5, ठीक है बेटा, और 3 का गैप यहाँ बढ़ाते रहो तो 69.5, फिर 3 का यहाँ 72.5, फिर 3 ऐड करते रहो 75.5, फिर 3 ऐड कर दो 78.5, फिर 3 ऐड कर दो 81.5, 3 ऐड कर दो 84.5. ओके बेटा, तो these your x, then use here which method, because large number है, which method you will use here, deviation and step, mu only you calculate. Okay, mu I is equal to x minus assume mean a divided by h. Okay, here you can write h is equal to here upper limit minus lower limit 3, class interval here 3, and then a center data 3 ऊपर छोड़े 3 नीचे छोड़ दिया, the center data 75.5, तो a is equal to 75.5. Okay, now you write here all these. Okay beta, then calculate 66.5 minus 70.5, तो 75 में से 66 निकाल दो, 66 प्लस 4 for 9, ठीक है, 75 minus 66 then 9, 15 minus 6 बेटा, 75 minus 66, 15 minus 6 9, ठीक है, 15 minus 6 9, तो देन 9 का गैप आ गया, तो -9 डिवाइड बाई 3, then will come -3, then second -2, then -1, then 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, then you have to find what? Fi mu I. Fi mu I. Okay beta, product of the frequency and the mean deviation mu. ठीक है, तो then frequency and this multiply, तो -3 ये mu है, ये frequency है, तो 2 into -3 -6, 4 into -2 -8, then 3 into -1 -3, then 8 into 0 0, 7 into 1 7, 4 2 ja 8, and 2 3 ja 6, then total 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 7 21, and negative here -14, -14 plus 3, 8 plus 6 14, 14 3 17, -17, तो सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, ये कितना बन गया? तो ये समेसन ऑफ Fi mu I will be equal, तो this algebraic sum, तो 21 minus 17 4, then -4. This is your, and summation f also calculate beta. Summation f, ये frequency है, summation of Fi here given also 30. You can check 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 7 24, 24 plus 4 28 plus 2 30. Given also 30 women. Okay, then matched here. So this and this, use here formula using mean equal, assume mean A plus summation of mu I Fi product divided by summation of Fi into H. Okay, step deviation method. Which method? Step deviation. A is your 75.5, this is summation mu I Fi -4, तो plus minus -4 upon summation Fi 30 and into H. H is 3, 3 से डिवाइड हो गया ये 10, 2 से डिवाइड हो गया 2 2 जा 4, 2 5 जा 10, 2 upon 5, then this is equal to 2 upon 5 means 0 decimal 20, 5 4 जा 20, 0.4, 0.4. okay, 0.4, तो 75.5 minus 0.4, then this will be equal, subtract, okay, 5 minus 4 1, then 75.1. This, what are these? Per minute, heartbeat per minute. तो per minute, मिनट, हार्ट बीट, हार्ट बीट, मीन, मीन हार्ट बीट, आंसर. Okay, so like this we can do. Be careful about the beta calculation. Like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the others. And thank you. और उनको ये गाइड करें कि वो सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को और फीडबैक ज़रूर लिखें. थैंक यू.